The Nmap project was released back in September 1997. And since then, it has become one of the most famous reconnaissance auditing tool available to map your network. It was the star of many films. One of them is The Matrix, the well-known Matrix. Over the years, Nmap has been available for various platforms, Linux, Mac, Windows, and has kept updating the tool with new capabilities such as the Nmap scripting engine, NSE. Let's move over and see how we can download and set up Nmap for the first time. The first place to visit is nmap.org website, where we can find the packages and executables for the different platforms. Download and extracting Nmap is simple. If you don't have a Linux machine and you wish to play with the Linux machine, as Nmap was born on Linux, the first thing you can do is to move over to the VirtualBox website, download VirtualBox or any other virtual machine environment, and install whichever distribution of Linux that you wish to play with. Here we can see that I've used Nmap in Ubuntu. Set up your machine with the relevant interfaces and the amount of memory that you will need. Just open the CLI tool, the terminal, click Nmap, and you will be prompted with the link to download Nmap, which is the sudo apt install and so on. You can also download Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a distribution of Linux that comes embedded with all the penetration tools that you can just dream of. One of them is Nmap. There is also the macOS DMG package, which you can download. Throughout this course, I will teach Nmap reconnaissance using the Mac terminal. And last, we have Nmap. Nmap is Nmap's GUI interface, which we will not use in this course, but it is a very simple and effective tool when you don't want to get into the nitty-gritty of Nmap's options.